if you have a Shopify store, if you are making sales and you are not capitalizing on the fact that someone just bought something from you in that moment, and you're not making it easy for them by putting them in a position where all they have to do is click one button in order to purchase one more thing, then you are holding yourself back. You're 100% leaving money on the table.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Yo, what's going on? My name is Miguel. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start using sales funnels for your Shopify store. Now, I know sales funnels are a thing that not a lot of people are talking about. And because of that, not a lot of people are actually implementing them when it comes to Shopify, which is crazy because Shopify is the main place that they should be used, because there are so many amazing ways that you can use sales funnels within Shopify Sense, Shopify Store, all of that stuff. And in fact, Russell Brunson, the main person who brought sales funnels to the surface, well, one of the main people, helped the first businesses that he was helping were people who were using Shopify stores. They were selling physical products instead of digital products. He may sell digital products, I may sell digital products, but there's nothing stopping you from using sales funnels in your Shopify store if you are selling physical products. Now, how would you do it? Well, the first thing you are going to need are two apps. These apps are Zipify and Carthook. Now, what Zipify is, it's this app made by this guy named Ezra Firestone, and it's basically a site that you can use in order to make really good looking sales pages. And it's specifically made for Shopify. So when anyone actually hits one of those pages, it is still going to pop up as Shopify. It's a plugin directly associated with Shopify, or app plugin, whatever you call it on there. And because of that, it's going to show up as the actual Shopify store, which is good because Facebook really likes Shopify, which is why they're able to integrate with one another. So that is what Zipify is for. You're 100% going to need that. Now, what Carthook is for the actual upsells and the order form, actually. So you can use Carthook. You kind of have to use the Carthook order form in order to use the upsells, because the upsell is what takes them, the order form is what takes them through the upsell. So you have to use Carthook's order form, which is good because you can actually manipulate it and get it to look a good way that you would like it to look. And then that is able to take them through multiple upsell sequences. Normally it starts off, I think the original template is one upsell, one downsell, and then another upsell, and then the thank you page. This is amazing. Sorry if you guys can hear that siren. New York. Anyways, so that is what Carthook is for. So the way you would use these two apps with each other is it would be a Zipify sales page that they would land on, and then when they click the button in order to get the product, it takes them to the Carthook order form, and then obviously that Carthook order form leads to the upsells on the back end. Now, what should those upsells be? It depends on what the original product it is that they are buying. But if it is some sort of product that they need to consume, one of the best practices you can do for products like that is just sell them more of the same at a discount or at a deal, I guess it would be in this case. And if it isn't a product that they can consume, like it's a one and done kind of product, then you can obviously offer them something else that complements that product in any way, form, or fashion. What you want to keep in mind, and the reason why you want to do this, is because the easiest person to sell something in your business is the customer who has just bought something. So If you have a Shopify store, if you are making sales and you are not capitalizing on the fact that someone just bought something from you in that moment, and you're not making it easy for them by putting them in a position where all they have to do is click one button in order to purchase one more thing, then you are holding yourself back. You're 100% leaving money on the table. Yes, you can make up for this a little bit with email marketing. Yes, you can make up for it a little bit with retargeting ads, all sorts of stuff where you're trying to catch them later on. And yes, these are things that you still want to do. You don't want to stop doing these things, but you will be leaving money on the table if they do not have the option to add more stuff to their cart when their credit card information is already in and they're already in the moment of purchasing. So that is how you start implementing sales funnels into your Shopify store business thing. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, definitely subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, like this video, and if you have any questions about this or anything else, leave that in the comment section below. Check out some of the other videos. You're welcome to donate as well if you want, or if you would like some one-on-one coaching. I actually recently opened up a coaching program where you're able to hop on a call with me, and that is in the description below. So if you want to do any of those things, just check out below this video, and until next time, peace.